This was taken a while back. The dog got to playing a little rough with its toy stuffed animal, and its stuffed animal is its favorite toy. And this is its toy going through surgery.
Don't bark at me.
So this is the surgery of the ripped off leg for the dog's toy.
Yeah, now it's gonna be a runt leg. Look at that.
The dog's favorite toy. The dog's very favorite toy that doesn't like anybody to play with it. And as you can see over here, the dog is extremely concerned about the toy that you ripped the leg off of. Right? Shadow. He won't even look at me. All he's looking at is his toy getting fixed. Shadow. Nope. He's just going to come over here to the other side and look at his toy.
Good thing your mom is a stuffed animal surgeon, Shadow.
So surgery continues. Poor Jungle. Poor Shadow. Jungle's leg got ripped off. Right. We have to have extras of this stuffed animal for the dog because the dog cannot live without Jungle.